Tasty, juicy, delicious, succulent. This turkey, as I cut it, all the juice runs out of it. Look at that tasty, moist turkey juice. Wonderfully cooked to perfection. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike G, and this is Flavor Foodie. And today we're going to be roasting a herbal rosemary and sage turkey. It's going to be juicy, so let's get started. I'm going to be using 3 sticks of unsalted butter. This is going to be our rub that we're going to rub all over the turkey and into the skin so that we can have paper thin skin. It's going to be very delicious. You're going to enjoy the flavor that this turkey is going to render with all of these herbs that we're going to add to it. We're going to be adding rosemary, sage, and also one of our favorites, thyme. I've already cleaned the turkey. So I want to get that dried out real good so that we can prepare the turkey and dry it out and make it more room temperature. It's at that temperature now. Chop up the herbs, and then I want to put all of that together along with our seasoning. So we're going to be using paprika, black pepper, along chicken bouillon, and some seasonal salt. That's rosemary seasonal salt with a little sage. It is a kosher salt. A good friend of mine, Andrew, and his wife made it for me. I really appreciate that. Once again, guys, thanks for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Sometimes it takes a little bit more effort than time, so it will take time throughout the process, but you can make this recipe just as well. Roasted turkey, juicy, succulent, and so tasty. Make sure you check the subscription box for the recipe. This is a very juicy and voluptuous, tasty turkey. Your family will enjoy this moist turkey. It's not dry. Flavor Foodie to the rescue. No more dry turkeys after this recipe. Now we're getting the thyme ready so that we can put it all together with the butter mixture so that we can rub it on the turkey. All of these ingredients that I'm going to be using for the turkey, I'm going to be mostly putting into the butter and mixing that together so that we can baste the turkey with it. Rub that turkey down inside and out. You want to get inside the skin. And so what I did to the turkey, guys, I puncture holes under the legs and under the wings, so this way that the steam can get up under them. I'm cooking this roasted turkey on about 325. I'm going to slow roast this turkey, and I'm not going to slow roast it, uncover it a little bit. So much of the turkey will be covered on the breast part so that we don't get that cooked too quickly on the top and it over browns so quickly. So we're going to cover the breast part, but the rest of the turkey is going to be visible, so this way that we can continue to baste every 15 to 20 minutes on the hour. Already prepared the butter and mixture, and now we're going to baste this over the turkey. I'm going to just cover this turkey with this blend of butter. Now, I didn't have any salted butter, so I used unsalted butter for this dish, and I created my own seasoning salt to the butter. So it's really good, that good. So imagine what that's going to be like on the turkey and when it's cooking. So this turkey has a lot of herbs in it. My two favorite ways of cooking turkeys, believe it or not, are one, in a bag, because all the moisture of that turkey stays in that bag and it actually sweats back into the turkey and make the turkey taste so good. So I like that way. That is one of my favorite ways. And then I like fried turkeys. I like that skin to be paper thin so I can go back to roasting a turkey. It's just that easy for me. So this is going to be a very delicious turkey. This is going to be, because it's slow roasted, it's going to just take a little bit of time to be completed. I'm going to take the turkey out. It requires about 5 hours. It's a 21-pound turkey. Had it for a little bit of time, so I decided to go ahead and roast it. And so this will take about 5.5 hours. So I'll take it out 4 hours and 30 minutes because once it comes out, it's still cooking. Your turkey will still cook outside of the oven after you take it out. So again, guys, I've already basted the turkey. I'm going to add some pears. I'm going to add some Honeycrisp apples along with some onions and a lemon. That is my choice. You can use any kind of vegetables or fruit that you choose to put in your turkey. It's your turkey. You make it your way you want to make it. You can do these step by step. These are not a hard process. It can be a messy job from time to time if you are roasting the turkey. So don't be intimidated by the mess. Just go on and continue to rub it down with your butter and whatever broth you're going to put in it. I'm going to inject the turkey with some broth that I already had previous to doing some turkey wings, and I've saved that. I added a little bit of water to it to like thinning it out because it was very rich. I also put down some vegetables down in the tray. I'm not going to put much of any water or anything in the tray. The turkey is going to slow roast, so it's going to create its own juice. So I'm going to inject the turkey. It's going to stay moist. And with this injection of the turkey broth in it, it will keep the turkey moist at all times. And I'll still baste the turkey on the hour. So it'll be very delicious, very juicy. Make sure you check the subscription box for the recipe. This is a very juicy and voluptuous, tasty turkey. Your family will enjoy this moist turkey. It's not dry. Flavor fooded to the rescue. No more dry turkeys after this recipe. So when you roast your turkey, you just remember the time you put it in as opposed to making sure that you baste the turkey on the hour. Do not let the turkey dry out. I often see people that cook turkeys, they don't baste the turkey, they just keep it in there for the duration, and what happens is it dries out. Now I'm going to put a tinfoil tent over top of the turkey, which will cover the breast of the turkey from cooking too fast. As you do know, if you leave it uncovered or if you don't cover that area, that will get browned much faster than the rest of the turkey. I am covering that, so this will keep it from browning too fast. Once again, guys, thanks for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I already preheated the oven to 325. I already set it for 3 hours, and I'll come back and set the additional hours that I'm going to further cook it. At the end of the process, you will be well rewarded with something very tasty and something juicy and succulent, such as a roasted turkey that's well basted and also well seasoned. All right, fam, I took the turkey out. I'm gonna let it sit for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Let it cool down because the turkey is still cooking. We'll be right back after that, and we're gonna cut into this juicy, voluptuous turkey. Stay with me. And if you just take a look all around, there's this beautiful, golden, well done, juicy turkey. Just voluptuous, delicious, well tasting, double delicious, scrumptious. So I'm gonna cut a piece of this. Let's give it a taste. And let's see how juicy this turkey has turned out to be. This is step by step. I'll leave the full recipe down below, guys, in the description box. So this way you can go step by step. Let's cut another piece of this and we'll take a look at how juicy this turkey is and how moist. Look how moist this turkey is. My turkey turned out very moist because of all the injections along with basting the turkey on the hour. Look at all that wonderful juice. It's cooked to perfection. Paper thin skin. All right, y'all. I hope it has been as juicy for you as it has been for me. This is Flavor Foodie. I'm Mike G. Until the next recipe, you've been flavorized.